Lay. Sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Kane is in the building.
Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they see, that's how that Chi-Town made me. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go on and put your hands up, when times is hard you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
One in the air for the people ain't here, two in the air for the father that's there, three in the air for the kids in the ghetto, four for the kids that don't wanna be there, none for the trying to hold him back, five in the air for the teacher not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the holding back that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on. Alright,
already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Goes on.
disposable. Summer's Eve, Massengale. Shady's got the mass appeal, baby. Crank the cause it's your jam. You said that you want your punchlines a little more compact. Well, shorty, I'm that man. These other cats ain't metaphorically where I'm at, man. I gave Bruce Wayne a and said, son of your down. I'm ready for combat, man. Get it, combat, man? Nah, ain't nobody who's as bomb man as nuts. Lines are like moms, cats, cans, cause they don't bananas. Honey, I applaud that. Man, these bras can't dance. Ma, show 'em how it's done. Spaz like a Taz, yeah.
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your guards, you can fence in your yard, you can hold all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Girl, shake that ass like a donkey with Parkinson's. Make like Michael J. Fox in the drawers, playing with a etch a sketch. Bet you that you never guess who's knocking at your doors. People hit the floors, yeah, tonight, ladies, you gon' get divorced. Girl, forget remorse, I'ma hit you bras with Chris's force like you them all. Talented with the tone, you ain't got a lick in yours. Hitting licks like I'm robbing liquor stores, making cash registers. The drawers think you spit the raw. I'm an uncooked slab of beef laying on your kitchen floor. Other words, I'm off the meat rack. Bring the beat back, bring me to extension cords. I'ma measure my I need 6 inches more. My big, need I remind you that I don't need the swine flu to be a sick pig. You're addicted, I'm dope. I'm the longest needle around here. Need a fix, I'm the big shot. Get it? Snots, you're just small boats, little. Girl, you think that all the bricks hot? I'll drink gasoline and eat a lit match. So I sit back and let him get hotter. Better call the cops on him quick fast. Shady's right back on your white trash with a half a 6-pack in his hatchback. Trailer hitch, it attached to the back. Dispatch.
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your guards, you can fence in your yard, you can hold all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Some other reason that your boyfriend stopped rapping. Does the bird chirps, Lil Wayne slurps syrup till he burps and smoke burp. Does the word search kick circles wrapped around it like you do when I come through it like it to remind yourself of what the fuck I can do. Yeah. You know, technically, I'm not even really supposed to be here right now. So f it. Might as well make the most of it. Yeah! Feels good! Woo! Guess I'm lucky. Some of us don't get a second chance. But I ain't blowing this one. Nah, man. Did I feel like I can do anything now? Who can catch lightning in the bottle? Set fire to water coming out the nozzle on the fire hose. Quiet and swatter.
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Smash an hourglass, grab the sand, take his hands and cup 'em. Spit around the freezer clock, take the hands of time and cuff 'em.
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
There's a storm coming that the weatherman couldn't predict. I start to bump, you better flee cause I get ticked. It's a wrap, I was down, when I was down I was kicked. I got up, I'm back to punch it to the ground. You trick, it's a trap. My last CD that's in my trash. I'll be if another rapper gets in my I hit the gas and I spit every rap as if it's my last. You can die in the blink of an eye, so pat your eyelashes and keep winking and blowing kisses cause you're flirting with death. I'm destroying your livelihood, I ain't just hurting your rap. I catch a flow and get going, the remorse I'm showing they slowing for knowing there's nothing you can do about it. Zeroing on my target like a marksman, the target is you. I shut your lane down, took your spot, parked in it too. Arsenic flow, lighter fluid, saliva, what can you do? Go get your crew to hype you up, stand behind you like, woo! That boy's hot enough to melt hell. Burn Satan too. Fries and put his asses back together with glue. So you can hate him, he don't blame you. Frankly, he would too. This game could ill afford to lose him. How about you? Now guess who?
Hey.
Here's a clue. He came to the ball in his white beater, lost his Nike shoe. It's in you. He's in you. He's all up in your psyche too. Now, what's his name?
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
If I had a time machine, I'd bring Cinderella man,
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Music is my time machine, so call me
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Catch a lightning, he struck it. Scream, shut up, it thunder.
man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Rewound the future to the present, paused it, don't ask how. The past, he's the right now. He's
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
Cinderella man, Cinderella shady Dane came to rap the came up in cellophane, raised hell from hell he came, but didn't come to bore you with the Cinderella story, nor did he come to do the same or can't afford to be a lame in this day and age. And at this stage of the game, mediocrity can no longer be allowed to fly. So say bye to the old H.I. to the new K-Sarah. Consider it his last hurrah, a coup de grace. Raise him high in the sky, keep him up, time to bring the place alive. Thanks for being patient, I won't make no more mistakes. My potatoes baked, homie, the veggies on my plate can fly. My filet is smoking, yeah, get the stakes are high. I ain't even supposed to be here by the grace of God. The skin on my teeth and the hair on my I skated by. Now y'all are on thin ice with ankle weights, I'd hate to lie. Can irritated are you? How much in your face am I? And ain't you can do but fear it. Proof is here in spirit, and I'm a spitting image. I mirror it when I stand near it. You lyric, I can hear it. Who forms pyramids and rap circles around square lyricists? Who? Here's a clue. He came to the ball in his white Peter, lost his Nike shoe. It's in your, he's in your, he's all up in your psyche too. Now, what's his name?
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. Hey, hey.
If I had a time machine,
Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man.
music is my time machine, so call me
Cinderella man.
Hope that helps.
Time has numbered my days, and I'll go along with everything you say. But I ride home laughing, look at me now, that the walls of my town, they come crumbling down. And my ears hear the call